for making appointment on the post of primary school teacher. The last date for applying for the post was 30th of November. My lord, this recruitment is being made for the next academic section. These teachers have to be posted in next academic section, which will start from 1st of April 2026. One of the essential qualifications in the advertisement was the 2 years DLED training. The appellant have completed 2 years DLED company on 22nd of November 2025. But due to the fault on the part of the Uttarakhand Education Board, our 2 days teaching evaluation test was not conducted. As a result of which, that we could not apply for the post of primary school teacher till the 30th of November. We filed a petition before the Learning Honorable Single Judge that the Uttarakhand Education Board may be directed to conduct this 2 day evaluation test, that is only formality test, and thereafter I will be eligible to apply for the post. And thereafter, thereafter the few days may be extended for in the last date of applying for the post, so that we could apply for the post. The learned single judge obtained the order that no mandamus can be issued to extend the last date of advertisement extend for you. Mano, that's why we have come before this Honorable Court. In this similar situation came last year. Last year also the division bench passed the order in favor of these persons. My lord. Lords may pass the order, last year's order. No. No, question is that this Honorable Court had, Lords may kindly see the order of in the special page 65. Last year also this situation came. And this Honorable Court, the division bench of this Honorable Court was pleased to extend the time for advertisement for applying for a post. The fault is on the part of Uttarakhand Education Board. That's why, because to be considered for appointment is the fundamental right of every person, we are being deprived of that. Lords may kindly see page 65, last year's order.
You are qualified as of the last date.
We have completed entire training. We are qualified.
My course will get over in April, and we wait till April. Extend the time till April.
No, my submission that we are eligible. Only for 2 days evaluation test is to be conducted. Otherwise, you are eligible. We have completed 2 years DLED training course. Only. Lords may kindly see the order, the page 65. Last year, the Honorable Chief Justice have passed the order in the similar situations and extended the
situation was not similar, my lord. That is not a correct.
Last year, within a period of 1 week from the date of completion of training, the board conducted this 2 day evaluation test. And thereafter, this Honorable Court was pleased to extend the time. In the meanwhile, the last date of giving application form with respect to those appellants petitioner whose examination took place on 6th July is being extended till 20th of July 2024. And even the Supreme Court has passed in 2 matters, extended the last date for applying for the post in the HES examination. Lords may kindly have this order of the Supreme Court.
There they have conceded, government has conceded.
My lord,
Government has conceded there,
what considered my pardon?
that they will extend the time.
Government has not extended, that is the reason.
So they have from 5th July to 20th July they have extended.
Yes,
Yes,
my lord.
last year.
And facts also were different.
No, they are the same DLED candidates.
And
Similarly, they are
facts
the
were
DLED
also different.
candidates last year's batch. Para 19 of this in this judgment, the Honorable Supreme Court has been pleased to extend the last date. There are two judgments of the Honorable Supreme Court. There one another judgment. This is the matter of SGS examination. The existing candidate can have no grievances by the widening of the competition. In order to facilitate this exercise, we accept the suggestion of the High Court that the last date for receipt of application form shall be extended to April 3rd, 2022. From 20th March 2022 to 3rd April 2022, the Honorable Supreme Court is pleased to issue the amendments extending the date in the interest of the future of the candidates.
Oh, it is different.
And there is one another judgment also of the Supreme Court I am placed before this Honorable Court. The another Supreme Court judgment. High Court extended the time, the Supreme Court further extended the time. Para 6 and 7. In Para 6, though the last date for admission to MBBS course with 15th November 2018, we are informed that the last date was extended till 20th of December 2018. And then in Para 7, the Supreme Court further extended it till 15th February 2019. So the court is competent enough to extend the date in the interest of justice, taking care of the future of the candidates. My lord, this examination, this posting has to be done in the month of April 1st. And enough time is there. There is no difficulty for the department. There is no difficulty for the education department to extend the time. And whose fault is here? Here, the Director of Education is well aware. Our training is going to be complete in November. They issued the advertisement in November. They ought to have issued the advertisement itself in the December, since our training was going to be complete. Lordship, just kindly consider the
Be eligible in the next round.
My lord, the difficulty is that we are not aware when the force will come. We have simply to participate with them. They have to compete. We have also to complete. And the 1st April 2014, next academic session, this posting has to be made. My lord.
My lord, that the department will be aware of, my lord. But I am appearing for the candidates who are eligible for being appointed as assistant
no
teacher
locus.
primary.
They have no locus to oppose the date petition.
School.
We are competing with you. How
We
can
are
you
eligible,
restrain
my
us?
lord, and we have already applied in terms of the advertisement.
But you have no locus.
No. We alone have the locus.
No locus at all.
We alone have the locus. My lord, what is the? My lord,
Result is declared.
When was the result declared?
My lord,
no,
my
my
lord,
lord,
the
no
training,
result has been declared.
My
Lordship,
lord.
kindly-
my lord, the
schedule-
training was completed on
even the
22nd
exam, my lord, what
November.
happened? My lord, Lordship,
Lordship, I can reply the question.
my friend may allow me to say.
My lord, I can reply the question. Lordship posed the question to me.
In the
My lord, the
No, no,
training,
no.
the 2 years training has been completed on 22nd of November. Thereafter, 2
lord,
days
your
evaluation
lord-
test
my
is to be
lord, your
conducted
lordship,
by the
kindly,
board,
my lord,
and then
this
I
is-
will be
this is
eligible.
how the-
Only due to the non-conducting the
He is
2
not
days
permitting, my lord.
test, then I have been
What is the date of
ineligible.
advertisement?
My lord,
The date of advertisement,
7th of
7th
November.
November,
last date,
Last date was
13th
28
November.
28 to
30th.
30th of November. Date
30th
has already
November.
gone, my lord.
and the
That-
result has not yet been declared.
No. Result is not to be declared. The advertisement for
No, the
recruitment.
result of the last semester has been declared or not?
No, my lord. The examination is yet to be conducted. My friend is not, my lord, placing the correct fact. Lordship may have, my lord. How last year, my lord, the schedule was declared by the board. Board conducts the examination, my lord.
Page 64, Lordship, may kindly come.
It is the, my lord, Ramnagar board, the education board, my lord, which conducts the examination of these trainees. And the examination schedule has not yet been declared.
Lordship
I
may
do not
kindly
know
see
how
page-
my friend is saying that it takes only
Page
2 days time.
64. Page 64
My
of my
lord, no
appeal.
examination can be conducted in 2 days, my lord.
No, that always conducts. This is only evaluation test. Examination is conducted only the
Lord,
first
what-
semester, second semester, and third semester. And thereafter, the evaluation test of 2 days is conducted.
No, there is
Last
no
year
2
also
days time.
conducted within a period of 1 week. This year, this has not been conducted. That is reason that was we are being deprived to apply for the post. Lordship may kindly come page 64 the special appeal.
My lord, what,
The
my
principal
lord,
has
what they
given a
cannot,
certificate.
what they cannot obtain directly,
Principal
my lord, they
has-
want to get it indirectly, my lord.
Principal has given the
This is a,
certificate.
this is a device created by
Mane,
them, my
they
lord.
have no locus standi. How they are opposing our petition? They have no locus. Lordship may kindly see page 63. My reply to this question, Lordship is posing 63 pages there of the syllabus. Syllabus provides only 110 days reading is there, then 4 semester will be completed. Then my principal of the diet has written a letter. My lord,
We are completing the course
my lord.
only on 22nd November.
Yes.
The advertisement is come on 7th November.
Yes.
On the date of the advertisement, you are not qualified.
No.
No, even
Last
today
date,
my lord,
last
even
date is
today-
30th
even today
November.
They are not qualified. Even
Last
today they
date,
are not qualified.
my lord, the eligibility has to be considered on the last date of making application. Last date is 30th November. On 22nd November, we have completed as per the syllabus. I've been closed with the special appeal syllabus. 110 days working in this training. That is completed. There are only 2 days evaluation test has to be done. Then I will be eligible. Only due to the fault on the part of the board. Last year, the board conducted this.
It's not a case of one student or two students.
My lord.
Hundreds of students have to be evaluated.
My lord,
My lord, who are eligible, they should not be declared ineligible. We are being declared to be ineligible only due to the fault on the part of the education board. Education board has not conducted the 2-day only 2 days it takes.
Probably you had some problem. Test itself is not completed. We are awaiting mark to say you are awaiting the result.
My lord, evaluation test, only teaching evaluation test is done. Thereafter, I become eligible. And if this had been done, if it had been done, then I would have been eligible to apply for the post till 30th November even. My lord, Lordship may kindly can see the page, our syllabus, page 63 is our syllabus. And the certificate of the principal of the diet is on page 64. We certify this fact. Our training has been completed. Certify this fact. Our training, we are fully eligible. Only a formal evaluation test should be conducted. My submission before this honorable court is the board may be directed to conduct evaluation test within a week, and this only last date may be extended for a few days. Last day will be in position to participate in the selection process. Otherwise, Lords. Lordship may ask the board itself at least it can conduct the evaluation test.
My lord, I appeared for the capital.
My lord, they have no locus. No locus.
Before the honorable single judge, I appeared as a capital, my lord.
They have no locus to oppose a writ
So
petition.
my name, that's why my name has been reflected in the call list, my lord.
No, that is there, but you have no locus. My lord, district Champal wrongly mentioned. It is district Chamoli. It should be district Chamoli. Our submission is that they may conduct it within a week.
Deeply apologize.
Item number 4 is same.
Next.
Same. Item number 5, criminal appeal, Ms. Sheetal